This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bad. Like tips at the front. Let's go. I'm fly like a pelican in my bed. I like in my way, hella quick. They think that I'm up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, here's that back. It's a big. It's a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. So I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today I'm really excited because we're going to head over to Silver Arrow because a package arrived for me from the UK, and that came from SS Autotech, and it's the Egear system that was rebuilt for my Lamborghini Murcielago.
This is Josh over at Silver Arrow Service here in Hudson, New Hampshire. Today we just got the Egear system back from SS Autotech for the Car Guys New England Murcielago. We're going to get ready to open this thing up and see what we got.
The old pump. So now that we finished unboxing it, the guys over at SS Autotech replaced the accumulator, replaced all of the gaskets and washers for all of the hoses, replaced all of the solenoids. We have a brand new pump. And over on this side we have a completely reassembled actuator as well with a new cap on the back. Again, all new washers and gaskets, and everything's been cleaned. When we were looking to have this repair done, we kind of shopped around, and these guys had the most competitive pricing that we found, nearly half the price of the competition that was here local in the United States. So we're getting ready to install this. We're very happy with the results of what we got, and stay tuned for the coming videos where we put this all back together and get Car Guys New England back on the road. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 603-566-2075. Make sure to check us out at silverarrowservice.com. And again, if you have any needs as far as the Egear goes, please make sure you reach out to Simon over at SS Autotech. They are based out of the UK. Like I said, they did a great job rebuilding this entire system, and before they send it out, they actually hook it up to a machine and they test everything to make sure that there's no issues and no flaws. So we're really excited to get this back in. So as you guys can see, things are starting to come together for the Murcielago, and next step is to get the clutch, new clutch from AMH, also known as Exotic Clutch Technologies. So we'll be getting that in the next few weeks. We'll get the car back over to Josh's shop and we'll button everything back up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.